Wagwan Raw Fam, welcome to another rawsome recipe, and today we're going to make a special. Before I tell you what we're going to make, let me introduce myself. I'm Stacia, Alicia, aka Raw Boss, and this is
Kadeen the Fruit
the Queen.
Alright,
so make yourself, right? So today Kadeen will be sharing with us a unique dish, right?
Yeah.
We'll be sharing with you how to make a star apple nice cream. Ice cream, but because it's nicer than ice cream, we call it nice cream. All natural, all fruits, raw recipe. To try this, and star apples in season now, I can't wait. Star apple, rawsome recipe, Kadeen.
Yep.
Over to you.
Right. And
call me when it's through.
Sometimes I really feel like she speak French because she always saying we, like we, like no, So yes. Let's get into this nice cream. As she says, star apple. For those who don't know what a star apple is, I don't know what to call it in your country or anything like this. This is our star apple in Jamaica. It is a family of, I think, like custard apple or something like that. It is very creamy. We have two different types. We have the purple and we have the green skin type of thing. So we're going to, it's simple ingredients. So we're going to do the star apple. We have some coconut jelly meat here. We have bananas, dates, and some coconut milk. That is it. No long list of ingredients. Good? So let's go and get into it. So we're going in with our star apple. Good? And we have about 2 to 3 cups here. Now it doesn't matter if it's frozen or it's fresh. It's better if you can use it frozen. Right? Let's put about 2 cups in there because it is a star of the show. You got that? Star of the show. Star apple. Yes. Yes. And then we're going in with our coconut jelly meat. Let's just tear this up a little bit. And what I did, I just slice off the brown part of the coconut meat. We don't want that in there. And this will give your ingredients the creaminess you're looking for. And then we're going in with some dates. Now dates gonna add more sweetness to the star apple because the star apple is already sweet. So we're just going to go in with about 4 or 5 dates. Now the sweetness is up to you. Don't be a slave. We always say it to the recipe. Who counting? I don't want to go. And then, our secret, not even secret, it's out there, superfood, some sea moss. Extra health, extra energy, extra boosting of the immune system. About 2 tablespoons right there. Now, this is coconut milk. But if you can see the water separated from the cream. And what we want to use is the creamy part of it, right?
Cream rises to the top. That's where
the cream rises to the top, right? So we're just gonna scrape off some of this cream right here.
Creme de la creme.
And that's what we're gonna use. The milk, the cream off it right there.
Magic.
Right? It's a magic, right? Yes. Cool. Then we're going to take a banana. Now, bananas tend to overpower a lot of ingredients, so we're just going to put 1 in there. You don't have to. It's not needed, but if you like bananas, we can go ahead. Then we're going to blend. we're done blending, and it should be as smooth as you can get it. You know, we can't see? It's smooth. That's what Jamaicans would say. Smooth. For translation, it's smooth. Yeah? All right. So they say it's ice cream or nice cream. It's nice cream, but just going to put a little twist to it. So we're going to put it to have it as your star apple nice cream magnum. And look how we turn this though. So instead of just putting it regular, we can't do regular. We can't do regular. We're going to put it in our container, in our pop container or silicone. Just share it in there. You want to have your nice cream in style. We're just going to share it inside here. If not, you don't have to do this, because me just extra.
You can do it in a bowl.
You can put it in a bowl, cup, whatever pleases you, you know. You just smooth this down. Shake it in down in there. And we're going to add some sticks or popsicle sticks or fudge, however you want to call it. And there you have it. So we're going to put this in the freezer. You can freeze it overnight, freeze for about 4 hours, 5 hours longer, the sturdier it is. That's it. So then now we're going to we want to taste the butter. Stacia, you want to taste the butter? You want to taste the ice cream batch? You know? No. Yeah? No. No? Yes. Come here. No. She said no, but yet still she come up here.
Put it right as my child. Alright.
It's your bossa dance.
I'm actually tasting the star apple. That's the dominant thing, which I know that's what you want.
Yes. Creamy.
Yeah, it tastes like star apple. It creamy. Tastes like star apple. Yeah, star apple and ice cream. But we want. Where are the finished products? Let's go for the finished product.
Let's go for the finished product. No, we're back. But look who's carrying
We're
it.
back. Let's taste.
No, this is, you know, in this style.
The star apple nice cream, pop cream.
So.
So, children, like you want to get your children to eat more fruits, this is one of the ways, because you know children love.
Yeah, this is fun. You can enjoy a nice Sunday.
A fruit fudge.
And you know, for persons, a lot of persons are daunted by the fact that they can't have treats because they're ailing, or you know, this is a nice way to have a treat. Nice, safe, not it's non, you're not guilt-free way of having a treat. You're having your nice cream.
You're having a star apple.
Them not have nothing over here. Yeah?
So thank you so much, Kadeen, for sharing this nice cream, star apple nice cream recipe. And thank you for watching Raw Fam. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching the videos. If you want other
recipes
like this, fruit popsicles, fruit ice cream. You can, and you're in Jamaica, you can come to Fruit Blossoms. That's at 28 shop 28
Portmore Pines Plaza.
And you can come get your all sorts of fruit popsicles,
all different
fruit cream, pop cream, whatever you want to call it, you can get it here.
Yes.
Remember to like, comment, share, let me know if this is something that you would try. And also, if you have come thus far, it means that you should watch another video. So you'll see about 2 videos on the screen. Click one and watch another video. Thanks again for watching. Thank you, Kadeen, for
You're welcome.
Just showing us your rawesomeness and showing us how to make the star apple ice cream.
Good.
Bye.
We're out.
We're out. We're out.